nice and happy.
Okay, it's rolling.
They're in a package. I've just sprayed them with sugar water to make them happy. Now they're eating. And I'm going to gently put them down inside the hive. So I got the two medium supers here, each with 3 frames. And here's the sugar can, and there's the tab that has the queen. All right, so here we go. First, take the sugar can out. And when it gets out, I'm going to move the queen. Excuse me, ladies. There we go. Put it back for a minute. And the queen is all covered with her attendants. I'll gently brush them off. Okay.
So the queen is in there?
The queen is in this little box. There she is. See her?
Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, but they can't get to her because...
They can't get to her because she's a new queen. They don't know her, so they're agitated because they don't know the smell of this woman. They have to get more used to her. So now I'm screwing in the screw, like a corkscrew, to take out the cork. Oh dear. Oh, I poked it in by accident, but that's okay. I'm covering up the hole, and now I'm putting the sugar, the candy in the hole. There we go. Okay, so what will happen is that I'm now going to hang her between the frames, and she is going to be in there for about 3 days while the worker bees all eat the candy up and then let her out. And by the time they're done letting her out, they will be used to her and will accept her as their queen. So I put a rubber band on this frame here, and I'm putting it in there to be held by the rubber band. There we go. I'm going to put this over. I don't want to squash any bees, excuse me. And then I'm going to take the sugar can out again. So they can slowly start to come out. Find the queen. There you go. So what I do next is put the cover on.
Do you have your window so you can see them?
I'm going to do that after they get settled.
Okay.
And then I put their sugar syrup right there. Another hive on top, another box. And then the lid. And that's it.
And so there's, the ones that have escaped, they can get back in.
Yes, I've partially blocked up their hole over here.
Okay, this one, so on this side it's blocked, there's a grid.
Yes, but there's space in between so they can get out. And there's also over here, they have a way to get out over here. So we can also help them go back in. Go on, go back in. Come on. So there's only like 2 that didn't go in. And I think they'll just eventually find their way to the entrance because they want to be with their sisters.
So is the top on? Because it's not level, so I don't know if that's intentional.
That's because it's on the sugar syrup.
Okay.
It's sort of propped up on the sugar syrup.
Which is how they're getting in and out right now.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So that's it. They should slowly climb in out of their package and find the queen and start making honeycomb.
Cool.
And find the sugar and start making honey. And that's it.
Okay.
Cool. Wasn't that easy?
That was a lot less dramatic than it could have been.
I know.
Okay.
So come back in 2 weeks when I open it up again, and then we'll see. It might be a lot more dramatic. I'll be wearing my bee suit then because they will have a hive to defend. So, but they didn't have a hive to defend here, so they didn't see me.
Oh.